In the binomial epithet in binomial nomenclature is, what is the meaning of binomial nomenclature? Binomial nomenclature means two names, they contain two names, genus name and species name. In that what they contain, what are the options? Genus and species. Genus plus species plus author name, and genus, species and family. Here in this what is this means, in this only binomial means only genus name and species name. So first one is the correct answer. Next, identify the correct from the following. Here they given four options. What are they? Felio Leo Linnaeus 1758 means Felis Leo, that is the genus name, and Leo is the species name. Okay, that Linnaeus scientist is identified that in 1758, and here Felis Leo Linnaeus 1758 and Panthera Leo Linnaeus 1758 in brackets, and Panthera Leo Linnaeus 1758. In fourth option, here the third one is correct answer. Why? Because the Linnaeus scientist, he described about the lion scientific name Felis Leo, but later that he kept that one scientific name of a lion is Felis Leo, but later he kept that species in the Panthera genus he kept in 1758. So the correct answer is third option, Panthera Leo in brackets Linnaeus 1758. Means what is the meaning of these brackets? Means this Felis is the genus. This genus is from this he shifted the Felis Leo to Panthera Leo. It is the meaning of that one. So correct option is 3. Next, following are the scientific names of lion as per the binomial nomenclature. Felis Leo Linnaeus 1758, Panthera Leo in brackets Linnaeus 1758. The above indicates it is same question. Okay, means here in this what is the first option? Change of rules of binomial nomenclature. Okay, next transfer of a genus from one species to another, and change of the original author, and transfer of the species from the one genus to the another. Means fourth option is the correct answer. Why? Because in the in the previous question, what is that? Panthera Leo Linnaeus 1758 means here it is the meaning that Felis Leo is shifted into Panthera genus. Here, so in these two, what is the meaning? Transfer of species from one genus to another. It is the correct answer. Next, who is the author of Historia Generalis Plantarum? What are the options? These are the Aristotle, Linnaeus, John Ray and Theophrastus. In this, third one, John Ray is the correct option. Means he discovered about the Historia Generalis Plantarum, not Aristotle or Linnaeus. Linnaeus he described in the binomial nomenclature in Systema Naturae. Okay, the correct option is John Ray. In this question, the term species was coined and defined by. Okay, in this, what are the options? Darwin, John Ray, Huxley and Linnaeus. In this, Darwin he described the origin of species. Okay, but here he didn't explain about the species. John Ray he described in his book Historia Generalis Plantarum, and he first time he used the term species and he described about that one. So correct option is the John Ray. Okay, correct option is John Ray. And next question, while defining a species, the concept of Mendelian population was introduced by. In this, they given four options: Linnaeus, Bateson, Spencer and Dobzhansky. In this, Linnaeus he described only about the binomial nomenclature. Bateson and Spencer also not, they are not described about that one. Only Dobzhansky. Okay, Dobzhansky he defining the species, the concept of Mendelian population. Okay, So the correct option is Dobzhansky. And next one, the species is considered as an evolutionary unit because means evolution means gradual changes. In these four options, what is the first one? Members of a species share the same ecological niche, means they are describing about the ecological. And second one is members of a species are reproductively isolated from the other species. And what is the third one? Members of species have similar structure and functional characteristics. And fourth one is members of a species show similarity in the karyotype. Means in these four options, the third one is the correct answer. Means members of species have similar structure and functional characters, so they are evolutionary. Means from the cells, they are formed as a group of cells, they formed as tissues. Like that, in evolutionary method, the members of a species have similar structure and functional characteristics. So the correct option is 3. Okay. And next one, the idea of species evolution, which is the foundation of biological concepts of evolution. Means in these four options, the given Darwin in the book of Origin of New Species, John Ray who coined the species, Buffon in the book Natural History, and Linnaeus in Systema Naturae. Means here species evolution means about idea of evolution they are asking. So in this the Buffon in his book Natural History, okay, in his book Natural History, he proposed the idea of evolutionary of species. Next question is, choose the wrong statement with the reference to species. Okay, here what is the meaning of species? What is the first option? They share the same ecological niche. Means that is a characteristic of a species only. By that is the an ecological unit. That is a statement of species. And second one, they are reproductively isolated from the individuals of other species. That is also character of a species. That is the by a breeding unit. And next third one, they have similar structure and functional characteristic. That is an evolutionary unit. By an evolutionary unit, that is also one reference to the species. But here the fourth option, they show panmictic mating. That is the wrong option. So the correct answer is fourth one. They show panmictic mating. And next question, if the members of population A, B and C can interbreed among themselves and also with the members of population Z to produce fertile offspring, then the members of A, B and C belongs to dash. Here the given four options: same genus but different species, same species but different subspecies, same subspecies but different races, and different genera but same species. In these, what is the first option? Same genus but different species. That is the wrong answer. Why? Because species means species only they can interbreed, not genus. Okay. And next, same species but different subspecies. Here it is the correct answer. They are A, B, C are same subspecies. They are related to same species but different subspecies. And third one, same subspecies but different races. This is also wrong one. And different genus. If the genus is different, then they can't interbreed. So the correct option is the second one, same species but different subspecies. And next one, which of the following is not true for a species? In the given four options, members of a species can interbreed, that is right. And next, a species consists of interbreeding population, that is right. And gene flow does not occur between the populations of species. And fourth one, each species is reproductively isolated from every other species. Okay, fourth one is also first, second and fourth are same, that are the true statements, but the third one, gene flow does not occur between the populations of a species, means it is the wrong option. Means in the gene flow that are similar, they will shows the similarity in the karyotype. So here they are telling gene flow does not occur between the populations of species, so it is the wrong option. Subspecies of a species is formed due to first one, geographical isolation with reproductive isolation, interbreeding between different species, reproductive isolation within species or geographical isolation only. In this subspecies means they may be geographically isolated populations of species. Sometimes they shows the some minor variations. Okay, even though they are capable to interbreed with the other subspecies. For example, if we take the example Corvus splendens. Okay, the Corvus splendens crow in India, that is the Corvus splendens splendens. Okay, here it is the subspecies of India. In India and Pakistan. In Myanmar, that is called as Corvus splendens insolens. Means here they are crow in different regions, but their subspecies are different. Here in India, that is a splendens splendens. In Myanmar, that is the splendens insolens. Means here subspecies is changed, but here they are based on the subspecies of a species due to the geographical isolation. Means where they are living, based on that the subspecies are formed. Okay. So the correct option is geographical isolation only. Means in India the crows are their scientific name is Corvus splendens splendens. In Myanmar the crow name is Corvus splendens insolens. Okay. And next one. Next question, the biological concept of species became popular after the publication of this book. Here they given four options: Systema Naturae by Linnaeus, Species Plantarum by Linnaeus, and Origin of Species by Darwin, Philosophy Zoologique by Lamarck. In this Systema Naturae and by Linnaeus and Species Plantarum by Linnaeus, they are in these books described about the binomial nomenclature. Okay, in this third option is the right one, means by Charles Darwin in his book Origin of Species. By the publication of this book, that concept of species is became popular. So the correct option is 3. And next, the members of a species shows the following characters. Okay, in this they given four options. They show random mating, they are not dynamic in nature, closely related genera may be crossed, or exhibit preferential mating. Means members of species shows the following characters. What are the main characters? By means species means they are not shows the random mating. Okay, it is the correct one. It is the wrong answer, and they are not dynamic in nature. And next, closely related genera may be crossed. It is also wrong one. What is that one? Exhibit preferential mating. It is the correct option. Means members of species, they shows the exhibit preferential mating. Cells present in metazoans but not in metaphyta are. Means the cells, they given four options: nerve cells and muscle cells, epithelial cells and muscle cells, nerve cells and epithelial cells, and conducting cells and glandular cells. In these four options, the metazoans means multicellular animals, they contain nerve cells and muscle fibers, but the metaphyta are not present these cells. So the correct option is the first one, nerve cells and muscle cells. And next question, the organisms with the solid body plan are not first option is first triploblastic eumetazoans, and next bilaterally symmetrical and flatworms deuterostomes. In this the organisms with the solid body plan, here they contain the correct option is deuterostomes, means here the blastopore is developed into anus first and later the mouth is formed. They are called as deuterostomes. So here the correct option is deuterostomes. Organisms with a solid body plan, means here in the first option the triploblastic eumetazoans means they are platyhelminths, and bilateral symmetry that are platyhelminths and flatworms. These all are flatworms only, platyhelminths. But in this deuterostomes, in them the blastopore is developed into anus. So the correct option is deuterostomes. Next, the mosaic embryos are seen in. What are the options? All eucoelomates, diploblastians and protostomes and schizocoelomates only. In this mosaic embryo, the mosaic embryo we can see in the only in protostomes. What is the protostomes means? The blastopore is developed as a mouth. Okay, they form as a mouth first, later the anus is formed. They are called protostomes. Okay, in them the embryo is a mosaic embryo. Okay, the correct option is a protostomes. And next one, the animals with the regulative embryos belong to the subdivision. Okay, here in the previous question that mosaic embryos are for, we can see in the protostomes, okay, which is in them here the regulative embryos are we can see in the deuterostomes, but here they are asking about the subdivision. So the correct option is enterocoelomata. The correct option is enterocoelomata 3. Okay,